The amount as withdrawn is 500 and the remaining balance in the account is 1500. So if I want to continue, I'll click enter, continue. And if I want to check the balance, so if I give the choices for the account number, I have to enter. So for example, I'll enter my account number, so 1002. So it will display the complete details like account number, account holder name, age, account type, current balance in the account, whether the account is active or inactive, and whether the account is protected by the PIN or not. If I want to check other bank accounts, I'll give the option as 4. So I'll give 1001. So again, that was a current account, and this is for savings account. So it will display the name, account number, age, and account type. And you can observe here that for this account, there is no PIN generated to secure the account, whereas uh, here means in the previous it has been displayed as yes because I have generated the password. So next, if I want to close the account, I'll hit enter 5. So which account should be closed, that account number should be added. So I'll give as 1001. So it'll ask whether are you sure to close the account. If I hit Y, it will close. So account closure cancelled. So like this, I'll go to the further like account management. If I hit 7, it is a feature which is an helping to search the account holder name, account details by the name. If I click enter Nandish, it will continue. So account matching found one account, which is account is 1001, and Nandish savings, it is a saving account and the balance is 1500. So I'll stop sharing my screen. Further, my teammates will continue.
Hello guys, I am Nishant. I'm going to explain you the next section of our program. In this section, we will basically sorted out the features which used to manage the account. First is search by name, which can be used to search any name. For example, now I didn't use any name, so there will be no accounts displayed. Currently, we can also list out the account number through count accounts. First, for this, I need to create an account and deposit the balance and everything. So I will ask Sheetal to share his screen so we can progress this quickly. But I will be explaining this. Yes, guys. Now you can see here the search by name feature is already shown by Sheetal. Now we will search by account number. Sheetal, can you please go with the option? Yeah. Now if we enter the account number of Nandish, it will now display Nandish's account. And the same way, there is a list active accounts, list closed accounts feature, which will basically list the accounts which are active and closed. You can show that, Sheetal. See, this is the active accounts, that is Nandish and Sheetal. One is savings, one is current. You need to just yes. No, so we did not choose any. We do not have any closed account. So the closed account count is 0, and we can also upgrade the account type. We can upgrade Nandish account to current account if through option 11. It is asking for confirmation. After the confirmation, The account is updated successfully. Now, if we list the account, it will show us the current account. You can list the account sheet. See, now we can see that Nandish's account is current account. So same way we can reopen the closed account. Currently we don't have any closed account, so we will move further. We can also rename the account holder through 13th option. We can rename Sheetal as any other name. So we currently renamed it. Sheetal, you can list it and show once again. Yeah, as you can see, the name is changed. So the final one is the count of active accounts, which does show how many active accounts we currently have. That is, it should be 2. Yeah, that's it, guys. The next section will be handled by my teammate. Nandish will take over. Sheetal, you can stop sharing. Thank you.
Okay. uh, Next features are like a time for fund and transaction history, transaction log file, daily transaction limits, minimum balance sheet, and the average balance calculator. So I will be explaining these features. So when in the transfer field section, so it is like enables like transfer of the amount from one account to another. So I'll request Sheetal to enter 50. It will be like transferring one account to another. So as you see, like from the Nandish account, so it is transferred to Sheeta's account. Like from the amount transferred is 100. So from account not like 1,400. It's like from that, it's like 100 rupees was transferred to account. Second amount for Sheeta's accounts. As we go further, like 16 is a transaction history where like show all post deposits, withdrawals, and transfers from a given account. Like it's the this is a feature of the 16. So we will be showing that. Here we can see like transaction history of the account holder 1,001. That's Nandish. So there is a list of timestamps where what are the operations has been done. So as we can see, like many features are there, like many transaction history. So next is like transaction log files. So here like it will show the, like all the transaction files. So it will be showing it. So as you can see, like what are the transaction happened. So there's a total transactions in the bank. So that it's 2 accounts created and the usual operations have been created, like deposit, withdrawal, and upgrade to current or name change, etc. So these are the transaction log happened in this bank. So these are the features of the transaction log, right? So next, there's a daily transactions limit. So it will give like how much the transaction limit for the day. So as you can see, like per account is a daily limit of 50,000. So this is the limit of the daily transaction limit. So as we see that for an Andish account, 1,600 rupees used, so 48,400 remaining. So you can do transactions of the 50,000 amount. So furthermore, you can't do daily transaction. So next features is like minimum balance check. So it's like a limit to the check of the balance. So that is the minimum balance check. So we'll be showing. So as we can see that all active accounts will meet all active accounts will minimum balance sector. So next feature is like average balance calculator. So this calculates the average balance for the all account. As we can see, like there is a total 2 active accounts and 2 total active accounts. So combining total balance of the 2 accounts is 3,500. So it is showing the average balance. It's a fourth account. So next for this, my teammate Miner will continue.
Hello everyone, I am Mahinda Reddy. Now I will be explaining about security and system. Now first in security system, now first I will explain about PIN or password protection. Shikitandi sir. Shikar. Now here there are PIN password protection. Enter account number. First you have to enter account number 1001. After entering the account number, in this you have three options like set or change the PIN or remove PIN, or you can check PIN status. As before we have not mentioned any pin status. So first we'll check the pin status. Yeah, pin status here the pin status is not set. So we'll set the pin. Now we'll set the pin. But wait, I will share this pin. I will share. Yeah, tell him to stop sharing pin, bro. He's starting from. So stop single tab. Huh? Sorry, there is network issue from the device. Yeah, now we'll see at 25. Now we'll set the pin for the account number 1001. The 40 pin will be 1400. The pin set successfully. Now we'll move to the next feature 26 export accounts to the file. Uh, Now for this we have to enter the file name to use the account to export to that file. Now I will mention the account. Yeah, the total account is exported one. Yeah. Now I'll move to the next feature 27. In this, we can import the account from other file. So now I will import the account from the accounts.csv. New account has been added to the system. Account script imported. Next, we will move to the next feature 28. In this age verification info, like whether the account holder is below the 18 or above 18, like we can filter it out, like the age of the person, like young account holder or senior citizen account holder, like that. In this, the current account holders are engaged is 20 years. Like because in this system, I have only inserted one account holder, so it is showing only one same years for youngest and oldest and average. Now 29 will move to next feature. In this, it will delete all the accounts. Now for this, we have to enter the admin password to delete all the accounts. Now we'll move to the 30. Like in this, the system is exit with auto save. Like if you didn't save also the account information, it will automatically save and it will exit. After the exiting, the account's data saved, daily limit saved, and system exited logs. All data saved successfully. That's it, guys. This is transaction logs of this. You can see like first we have created, deposit, create, and withdraw, all of that's it, guys. Thank you. If you have any questions, you can ask.
Hello.
Can I?
We can't hear you.
Can anyone of you again show the deposits limit that you have shown earlier? Can you show the demo again?
Can you repeat it? If you're not able, audible.
Can you repeat that demo of showing that the account has reached the daily limit? I think you have already demoed it while you are presenting. We need to share it
Okay.
again.
Okay. I
Okay.
Is my screen visible?
Yeah.
So you are asking the daily transaction limit. That is choice number 18.
Okay.
Am I correct?
Yeah.
Okay. First of all, I'll enter the choice number. So daily limit is per account, it is 50,000. So transactions for today, that is 11/9 and 2025, from the account 1001, from Nandish account, 1,600 rupees is already used. So for this day, he can only transact up to 48,400 rupees, in which it is deducted from 50,000. This is the daily transaction limit. Is it clear?
Okay. It's clear now. Okay.
If you have any questions, you can ask. Hello. If you have any questions,
Hello.
you can. If you
Am
have,
I audible?
if you have any
Yeah,
questions,
just a second.
yeah, you are audible.
While listing all that databases, have you come across any conflicts that any of that doesn't work, or any of that gave a large interest of instead of a simple interest? Any that kind of issues have you faced? Hello.
Yeah. My teammate is answering.
Okay.
The problems I faced were while reopening the closed accounts. We basically list those accounts, closed accounts and active accounts. Sometimes it used to remain closed even after reopening, and the balance and the fund transfer issue was the issue when reopening the closed accounts.
Okay, that's it from my end.
Can we end? If you have any further questions, you can ask.
We are good to go. We can wind up again.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you all.